Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So where we left off with the last video was we need to get this secondary clutch off because there is a nut behind that that holds the drive shaft on, and the end goal is to get this Polaris suspension installed. So I was looking online how to get this secondary clutch off, and I found a guy had used a flywheel puller like this one to get it off, and he said it worked good, so that's what we're going to try. So the first step is I went to the hardware store, got 3 2-inch 5/16 bolts and 1 3/4 inch, and then 12 1/4-inch washers. So first step here, we're gonna take a 1/4-inch extension, 1/2-inch socket, and put the 3/4-inch bolt in and thread it into the secondary. Just like that. I did take the spring out of here, so that's why it's a little loose. Oh, before I do that, we got to put a 3/8 small extension in here. So that's what the puller will press against. So that'll just slide right in there, just like that. Okay, now I'll try tightening this and see if it'll come off of there. Get a wrench on that. Looks like it's coming. Alright, so I broke out the air tools. I did take this off a few times just to make sure everything's going okay and I wasn't wrecking anything. And it looks like it's finally pulling away there. You can see right here, it looks like it's coming off finally. Yeah, it was on there good. So it should come off here any second, so let's see how it goes. Alright. Oh, it's definitely coming. You can see that's opened up quite a bit there, but I've run out of room here, so I will have to get more room to tighten this down. Alright, so we got the clutch off. That thing was on there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if I didn't have this puller, there's no way I'm getting that off. So yeah, this is the nut that I was after right here. So now I can get that and then get this drive shaft out of here. And I do have new bearings for the jack shaft and the drive shaft. So get this nut out now.